nobody really teaches us about money. We just learn it the hard way. So today I want to share with us 5 things I wish I knew about money in my early 20s. So one thing I wish I learned is that saving is actually not about the amount of money you're saving, but consistency. Back then I used to think that before I could save, I should have like thousands of money. Then I'll start saving from there. But now I knew better, and I hope that you guys would also learn from this. It's the consistency. You saving 500 naira every week would definitely add up to something. It will amount to something, definitely. You don't have to wait to start having thousands or millions before you start saving. It's a habit we should inculcate into our daily life. Second thing I wish I knew or I learned is budgeting is actually not a restriction. It's freedom. You get to tell your money where it should go. Do you understand? I know you wondering, oh, where did this money actually go to? What did I use the money for? When you budget, you would definitely have that freedom of deciding what to use your money for. I know you like spending money on random things, and at the end of the day, you really cannot tell what you use that money for. So budgeting is actually not a restriction. It is freedom. It gives you power to tell your money where it should go. Lesson number 3 is investing in yourself. This one is what I'm trying to get better at doing. Invest in yourself, learn a new skill, buy books. Just put that money in a place where you would definitely reap benefit from. So try as much as possible to invest in yourself. That money you want to use to get a new bag, use that money to go and learn a skill. That money you want to use to just go and have a nice time outside, use that money to invest in yourself. Buy a book that would make you get better at whatever it is you're trying to do, and you will definitely see the reward or the efforts paying off at the end of the day. So try as much as possible to invest in yourself by reading a book or learning a new skill or even experiences. So yeah. Lesson number 4 is kind of similar to the first lesson. Start small. Start small. You might be earning 10,000 naira a month. And with dedication, you can decide to say, okay, out of this 10,000, I am definitely going to be saving 1,000 or 2,000 naira monthly. 1,000 times 12 would definitely be 12,000. 2,000 naira times 12 would be 24,000, which is something tangible. When you get broke, that's when you know that those things we see as chicken change in Nigerian language. Chicken change is really not chicken change. So start small. It's the mindset that matters, the mindset. So when you start small, they say little drops of water makes an ocean. So start small. When you have the mindset, definitely, and believe me that when life brings you opportunities of earning more or earning higher, you will definitely not find saving a difficult task. The last but certainly not the least lesson is avoid unnecessary debts. If it doesn't help you to earn more or to grow, it's probably not worth it. I don't see myself going to look for money or to look for a loan to buy a shebi to attend someone's wedding. Yes, I wish you well. I'm happy that you're getting married, but I can actually come for your wedding wearing what I can afford. So it is definitely not the end of the world. So if it's not something that will help you earn more, probably you decide to look for money to go learn a skill. That is you investing in your future, and by God's grace, it is definitely going to pay off. That is different. But you going to look for loan for unnecessary things, it is not worth it. So avoid unnecessary debt. If you've learned from this video, please click on the subscribe button, like the video as well, because I'll be sharing more videos on mindset, finances, and leveling up. Let's go together. Bye.